Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video is about the room tour about this property that is La Selva. So let me just show you around. That's how it looks from outside. अंदर दिखाते हैं आपको. And when you enter into the room, right side में there's this mini fridge, tea station, and ये पूरा का पूरा, this is entirely a wooden construction. To the left side is this couch area, sitting couch area, and yeah, this is the bed, the lamppost, and like from this side itself, यहाँ से जाती है stairs, and it will take you around to the area upstairs. So I'll show you the area that is there upstairs, but I'll take you through the space that is downstairs. So this is the full length mirror over here. इस तरफ है washroom. It's so lovely. The whole bathroom area is like into a bohemian style. So this is the wash basin and bathing area. This is huge, like very big space. Counts like a full separate room altogether. They've kept all the toiletries over here, and they are of all biobotanic. A lovely aesthetic plant, and the mirror. Alright, so let me just take you upstairs from here now. So I really love these cute little stairs, but इसके ऊपर एक time पे, you know, they are so small, एक ही आदमी चढ़ सकता है. And this is the space over here where two people with very small height can accommodate. लेकिन this is like what do you say, मतलब एकदम furnace की तरह तप रहा है यहाँ पर ऊपर. Now lastly, just let me take you around through the balcony here. It is, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so that is the outside sitting area. They have given these two chairs here. You can sit in the night, you know, and just spend the time. आपको आवाज़ पहले से ही आ रही होगी. Such lovely jungle voices of small little birds and insects is out here. The only thing is you'll not get televisions here, but yeah, overall the property seems so good. And the idea that there's the bed over there, and then, you know, the whole aesthetic is so simple and so good. I'll just show you around this place later in the evening. I'm sure it's gonna look fab and really different.